Hey everybody, Adam with Front Range Storm Contractors out here. Actually in Denver, city of Denver, Colorado. Real near Aurora though, that part of Denver. Anyways, out here on site where I did a repair last year. Can't find these color shingles anymore. Owner said, yeah, just get something light. We had a windstorm that blew some of those shingles off. So that was April 28th, 2018 that those shingles were installed. Today is February 12th, 2019. Still looking pretty decent. But I'm out here today because they said there was a leak. So I went inside the house, and right below here is a bathroom, and it's leaking from right around there, but it might actually be this part of the bathroom over here, and water doesn't run uphill, so it's most likely coming from one of these two vents right here. These are like the hot water heater and the furnace vent. That's what type of vents we got going on over here, although I bet that one's actually like the vent to the fan. They just put the wrong type of thing on there. Because this rubber boot right here, it's not the right kind of flashing to have for this type of vent. So since they didn't put the right kind of flashing on there, I don't know that they got the right kind of vent. This one is a plumbing vent, so that's from like sinks and toilets, which makes sense because there's a bathroom right there. But it's really, really difficult without getting into the attic to see where this leak is coming from, because see this mastic right here? It all actually looks pretty good, and you see how the shingles are a little bit of a different color around there. Apparently there's been a leak before, and they got it all sealed up with mastic without actually, these shingles seem to be sealed pretty well. There's a bunch of leaves and debris down in there, so might be sealed with debris underneath the shingles, which is not a good thing, by the way. But I don't know. There's a nail right there. It's exposed. Not only that, but it's a little bit shiny right there, which could indicate, yeah, recent wetness, because I actually just rubbed that off. So that could be where our leak is coming from. Right there. Got some other nails like this one that aren't in all the way, not flush. So we just recently had some snow, and the snow could be getting up underneath there, getting into that nail as well. You never know. This nail right here, you can't see the head on it, but you can see the crack all the way around it where the mastic's not really doing its job anymore. So wow, even after I rubbed that off, it's gotten shiny again, which means the water's like coming up from there. So that's definitely my leak right there. Man, it is Colorado though. Sure smells like weed. Have a good one, everybody.